And with that being said, the players are starting to walk into the arena from Kazakh. One as well. How does he play? Another. The Japanese representation being given.
And his coach
Done
and the
from
chief
Iran.
cricket officer, Mr. Naresh Kumar from India.
Of course. And a significant performance from Cherukhin. It's going to take him a long way. 4 hits, 1 miss. You can see shooter 5 and 7 in the waiting area once they come forward to take their shots now.
Proven his medal in the past on the global and the international stage. Another Singh want to start things off perfectly well. Gets a double, a triple to finish things off. Anish representing India alongside Vietnamese representation Tai Nam. A decent start again. Another triple from Team India's Anish. We have Kazakh and a Vietnamese shooter with a double.
Representing Japan, with number 6 representing India, with number 7 representing India.
Another triple from Nikita. Quite quick on the trigger and quite accurate as 4 seconds for the next 5 shots. You have to be quick and precise at the very same time, and wow! Sukana somewhat around at least 4 in this one. Getting the start. But again, another triple from both the players. Wow. Amazing from Anish as well. Another. And if you talk about the standings, Kirill, Dai and Anish tying up with 8 points. Now Nikita again starting off with a 4 this time. He has been pretty accurate. This time around, Kirill.
This particular event at 40 years old and currently world ranked number 12. The clinical technician.
Wow, this
and
is
just look at his
perfection.
performance. He gets a 5 on 5.
Keep up with Yoshika Dai from Japan. And this is the start that he needed. Just could not finish it off in the perfection as well.
Ahead of Indian rapid fire shooting. A former junior world champion.
And Nikita, he is looking out for the big one. Starting off not that greatly, but another triple from him. And gets a quadra. He is looking out to increase up his tally. Gets a triple again. 3 has been the most. Yoshioka Dai starting things off where he left from and gets another quadra on his end. At least a quadra to survive in this competition. And he started off pretty strongly, but then getting a double miss, and now Nikita another triple from 11 points. Trying to get something done. Trying to increase up his points.
In short, his first series didn't go really well, but he's picked himself up after that. With a 5 on 5 in this series. International experience. This is the kind of experience we're talking about that comes with being a shooter for over a number of years, playing a number of it. But his performance has been absolutely great. Shooter Mintan, actually. And there we have it, my personal favorite of this match so far.
Yoshioka Dai, the Japanese representative. Oh, that's a big surprise.
Anish, Nikita and Mintan.
Another triple to make sure he gets at least a 20 point that he is looking out for. Starts off really well and gets a quadra.
The pressure to not finish fourth to make it to the podium. And it gets to Mintan with a 0.
Starting off things with another triple.
Just 23 years old competing against such experienced shooters. And he doesn't let that bring him down
He
at
gets a
all. That
three.
is it's like they're starting all over again. The competition, the match for the gold.
And now it's time to increase the tally. Starts off really well with a double and finishes off with a quadra. He had really high hopes when he got a double perfect, and now he's looking out to do the similar, and he will get the perfect score line. And Japan, they are surely happy with his performance. 26 points.
Kyoto Prefectural Police, and rightly so. Anish back with only a 2 out of 5. This is where we catch the experience lacking, but good enough for Anish as he locks the bronze medal. Anish is now the bronze medalist at the Asian Championship for 25-meter rapid fire pistol men final. And we are down to the very, very last two, separating themselves by only 1 point on the leaderboard. This is the series that makes it or breaks it for Japan.
And now gets a triple indeed. Yoshio Kadai needs a triple to confirm, and he gets another perfect. This guy is a machine. Yoshio Kadai, the representation from Japan, secures the gold in fashion. 4 perfect score from the lad, and he is just unstoppable.
This is what we were talking about, ladies and gentlemen. These are the kind of performances we yearn to see here at the Dr. Karni Singh shooting range. This is the masterclass, the class act. He needed just 2 or 3 hits to secure that win, but no, the fighter went with a 5. And there we have it, the gold medalist with